now I'm gonna make a tear down, and this cutter blade, this one, it's a little bit different from the cutter blade we used to know. It's a little bit different. It looks like a trimmer cutter blade, or it's for a hair clipper. Okay, so now start here. So this is the steel blade, and this is the cutter blade. See that? And it's not a deep tooth cutter blade. Okay. But it's very, very good blade, I have to say. Oh, that's strong. Okay. Have to put it back. So now for those of you thinking it's a brushless motor, it's not a brushless motor. It's a normal rotary motor, but a very strong one. So as you can see, it's not a brushless motor. Oh, the glue is very, very strong. Okay. So guys, I tried to remove this one, and the glue is very strong, so I can't remove it. So now I'm gonna make an RPM test. Somehow it's 12,000 RPM. So it's very, very strong, and I couldn't remove it. So yeah, let me put it back.